Use appropriate safety equipment when maneuvering the fridge into your workspace. Unpack the fridge by guiding a knife along the corners of the packaging. The efficient packaging is easily disassembled. Remove the blue tape and place the sealant strip to one side. Inside the fridge you will find the manual as well as the fitting components. Take a moment to read through the manual to make sure you fully understand the installation process. If required for the furniture design, you can switch the door hinges to the opposite side. First open the door and take out all the shelves. Remove the hinge screw from the right-hand side and place to one side. Remove the door and carefully place to one side. Remove the plastic insert from the right-hand side and insert into position on the left. Remove the hinge point from the bottom right of the fridge. Insert into place on the left-hand side of the fridge. Place the fridge door into position, taking care to first insert onto the bottom hinge. Then, whilst holding the door, still slot the top hinge fixing into position. Carefully maneuver the fridge to the niche entry point. Insert the cable through the niche. Fully insert the fridge into the niche. Next, you will need the sealing strip. Open the fridge door and place into position to measure it. Cut the sealing strip to the desired length. Peel off the adhesive cover. Stick the sealing strip into position on the fridge. Check that the sealant strip is fully in place. Next, you will need 8 of the screws provided. Fix the fridge into the column through the 8 fixing points. Next, you will need the 3 white plastic sliders. Separate the 3 sliders, removing all attached parts. Measure and mark the handle position for the first slider. Then measure and mark the position for the second slider and the third slider. On each of your marks, come in 21 mm from the edge of the door to mark the slider position. Hold the slider into position at the top marking and mark the 3 screwing points. Repeat this process for the handle and bottom marks. Using the screws provided, fix the slider into position. Repeat this process for the handle and bottom marks. Clean the pencil markings from the furniture. Next, you will need the 3 white plastic slider covers. Clip the 3 plastic covers onto the sliders. open the fridge door. Now you will need the 3 slider fixing parts. Slot the first part into position at the top and mark the 2 screwing points on the fridge. Repeat this for the middle and bottom sliders. Mark the 6 fixing points using a hammer and point. Then drill the 6 fixing points. Slot the 3 slider fixing parts into position and fully fix into place using the screws provided. Now you will need the 8 white plastic covers. Place the covers into position. Before you place the bottom hinge cover into position, cut it so that it can slot in over the hinge. Slot the hinge cover into position. You will now need the ventilation cover. Clip into position at the bottom of the fridge. Clean the product. Your installation is now complete and ready for your customer.